All right, I'm only gonna put a little bit of slime, y'all. Come outside and help me with the bags, babe. Shut the door.
And all blessings. We the best music. Another one.
What's up, BMQ Squad and Fun Kid?
Hey y'all, Big Man just got me and the kids on the earring prank. So I just came up with an idea. Being that I had to go to the store, I brought the kids with me. We're gonna slime prank man. So I'm going in here and I'm gonna get some glue, and I bought the container. Show them the container, Quan. So I bought the pitcher. I got the tie. We got a spoon, the tie, and we got shaving cream. So I'm about to go in here and get the glue, and we're gonna mix it up. I'm gonna pretend like I broke down, and I'm gonna send Quan to the house, and I'm gonna be hiding on top of the upstairs balcony. And when Big Man come out with Quan, I'm gonna slime prank him with the kids' help, right, y'all?
Yes.
Okay, y'all. So we at Walmart, so we about to go inside. We at Walmart, so we about to go inside Walmart. I gotta get a little bit of groceries, and I'm gonna get the glue to slime prank Big Man.
Yep.
Okay, y'all. So here we go.
Here we go. Hey, hey, baby.
Inside Walmart now. Yeah, acting crazy. I got your hand.
I want it. Can I get it?
Yeah, for Christmas, not now.
It costs $29.
It costs $29.99. Come on, that thing about bigger than you. Okay, so here go the glue, y'all. Which color do y'all think we should get?
I think.
Which color do y'all think we should get?
I don't know. This.
Blue. You want to get pink?
Yeah. Blue.
You want to get blue?
But only like these.
Pink or blue, y'all?
No, green.
Green. Want to get green?
Yeah, green. I get these.
Let's get a dark color green.
Look.
Too light.
Look like this.
Hmm?
Like this purple. This one. I like
This one. Okay, so we're gonna get this
And I'm gonna
dark
get
color
these.
green.
We finally made it to the back.
In the back of the apartment, so I thought about it. I better not say that the car has broken down. Instead, I'm gonna just call him on the phone and say that we need help with the groceries, and I'm gonna hide up on the second floor on the balcony. And when he come out, I'm gonna pour the slime on him. Quan gonna hold, or Melanie gonna hold the camera in the car, and I'm gonna have my cell phone while I pour it on so y'all can see both views. So we about to sit in here and make the slime real quick before we go to the house. So I'm putting
The blue
the
one.
glue in the picture.
Here goes the shaving cream. And
So I'm about to stir it up. Alright, so I'm putting the tide in, y'all. Slime can be really messy, and I don't want it to be all in the car. Here you go, Mel.
then we're gonna add the water.
Alright, I'm only gonna put a little bit of slime, y'all, because I don't want it to spill all out in the car. I hope I get him. I hope this worked, y'all. Because he done pranked me too many times now, and it's payback time. Quan is gonna go on top of the stairs, and I'm about to call Big Man now on the phone and tell him to come outside and help. Okay, I'm about to call Big Man on the phone, but I gotta get Mel to my phone at the same time. It's crazy.
Okay, Daddy,
I'm
all
gonna
this
need-
my phone.
I'm gonna need you to run upstairs. Hold on. Wait, come back.
Come on, hurry.
Come outside and help me with the bags, babe. Help us. Okay. Wait. Go, go, run. All right, here we go, y'all. Holding the bag. Try not to get in the way. We got him. Look, oh my God. Babe. Babe. Oh, babe. I thought you. Babe. Oh, he mad. He's so mad. He's so mad, y'all. Oh, he shut the door. He is so mad. He about to go somewhere with his friend. He about to go somewhere with his friends. He can't get mad, y'all, because I don't get mad when he get me. Look at that. Good job, Quan. Thank you. Come here, Quan. Good job, Quan. Y'all, I got him back and he is not happy. So if you like this prank, give us a thumbs up, y'all. Comment down below and tell me how y'all like this prank. Got him. I got him. I got him. Go, go, got him. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, y'all. Thank you for watching. I hope that y'all enjoy our video. Thank you, guys. Bye.